Hi guys, looking at some of my old projects from up in the loft. Check the minis, they both work. That one needs a new battery, the old battery's dead. And that one, well, that one needs a new battery because I can't find one that fits properly in the battery compartment. I expect I've got one if I look hard enough. But yeah, they both work, they're both hobby grade. They weren't originally hobby grade, they're ones I've converted. And then there's this one that somebody was throwing out, and I asked them if I could have it. It was on the top of their rubbish bin. It was damaged. The steering was damaged. I did a good old-fashioned Grandad fix on it. Wrapped wire around it and super glued it and that sort of thing. So steering does work. Originally 27 megahertz, but we got hobby grade gear in there. Or at least I say in there. We've got a servo in there and an ESC in there. So I should be able to just sit the RC gear in the bed here and run it. So we have a receiver, Fly Sky. That's a 2S. It's probably enough just to get it running. Oh, we need an ESC as well, don't we? There's no ESC there. I wonder if that one's any good. Soon find out, won't we? Stick that in there. Turn that on, we got lights. Okay, turn it off again. Plug that one in there. Stick that one in there. Put it all in. Switch it on. Is it this one? No, not that one. Okay, let's find the other one. That one. Okay. Is it forwards? No, that's backwards. Reverse the throttle. Okay. Steering. Oh, that's the right way round. Right. Come back here. Go wide angle. So, right, left, forwards. Yeah, that looks like that one works. Give it just a little bit more space. Can't quite get it to do donuts the right way round. On right. Does it on the left. No, can't get a donut going round to the right. Yeah, just cheat there and flick it into reverse. Anyway, that one clearly works. Do you know, I was saying I got that one. I don't think this is the one that was the one being thrown out, because it's got a price label on it. So all that about it being one that I picked up that was being thrown out was rubbish. I know it was a black one, so that must have been a different one. This must have been from a charity shop with a 95p label on it. I apologise, I was talking rubbish. If I can find a link for the other one, I'll put it in the video description just so we know what I was talking about. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.